Look, look, look. Yes, yes, yes. Nobody beats a key-for-key deal. You don't have to worry about depreciation on this beautiful 2010 Nissan Maxima. The guy before you got it all. What a guy! Caveat emptor. Buyer beware. It will produce breakneck acceleration. Use at your own risk. J.D. Power and Associates gave the 2010 Maxima 4 out of 5 power circles for overall performance and design. Call our Internet Fleet Manager today for your personalized, one-on-one, hassle-free buying experience.